Okay, so we are recording right now. So here I have started the server of this app component. You can see this app component is written here. So to see that it is working fine, I will write S here and save it. You can see S is there. Okay, so now in this video I'll make a toggle button which will simply change dark mode to light mode and light mode to dark mode. For that I will use H1 tag, H1, sorry, yeah, H1. Heading is toggle button, and after that I will create a button which will simply change dark mode to light mode and light to dark, and we will change this dark dynamically. If the background is black, we will change this to light, and if background is white, we will change this to black, oh, dark. Okay, so we will do that later, but now I would like to give it some style, and for that styling purpose I will use Tailwind CSS, because if I use vanilla CSS it would take a bit longer time, and I want to make my video short. That's why. And if you want me to use vanilla CSS, just write a comment. Okay, so display flex is fine. Flex call, and yeah, let me see how it is looking. Yeah, and justify center, and items center. Yeah, you can see these both buttons are in center right now. Okay, so now I would like to height screen. So you can see the height is whole screen right now, and I will make my background black. BG, mm, not black. I should give it some another color. Background stone, background stone of 950. Yeah, yes, this is fine. Background, and now I would like to give button a color. So class, which color? White, blue color. BG, blue, and which blue? This blue is fine. No, this is not. 600 or 700? 700 is not fine. 6. Yeah, it is good. And rounded 2XL. Yeah, and PX of let's say 2, and PY of 1. So yeah, you can see now my button is looking fine. And let me give it a text, font bold. Yeah, now it is looking much good. And so my heading is not visible right now, so I should give it a color. Class of text, which color? Yellow. Yellow will not visible on white color, so let's say red. Red. And which red? So here are the options of some red color. I'll choose this red. Yeah. And font bold, and text size. Maybe 4XL is fine. Yes, toggle button. Yeah, they are looking too good. And gap of 1 will be sufficient. Not 1, 2 or 3. Where is that gap thing? Hey, where? Yeah, here. 2. 2 is also not sufficient. I would like to write 3. Yeah, 3 is good. So now our task is to change that background according to this button, state of this button. For that, I will create a useState, const uh, toggle, comma set toggle, useState, and initial value of that useState it is let's say light or dark. Our background is dark right now, but it's okay, light. And I like to do this. Okay, so hope this. code is visible in video. I am zooming it a little bit. And now I would like to give a on click, and I'll name my function handle toggle click. Okay, sorry for that handle spelling. Handle handle toggle click. Yes. Oh, so like I'm passing my function as a value here. That's why I'm not writing these and these braces, small brackets. Okay, and if you need to write these small brackets, if you want to, then you need to write it like this. This is a concept of here. Wait. I have done some syntax error here. Wait, nah, working fine. Yeah, yeah. So if you want to write like this, if you want these square brackets, these are not square brackets, these are small brackets, then you need to write it like this, then it will work. But now, like, as it won't work because we have not created our function right now, so I need to create it first. And I'm not using function as a value, I'm using function as a value. I'm not using function like this inline function. And right now it won't work because I haven't created that function. So function handle toggle click, yes. And wait, I have created a function. Wait, let me see what's the problem. Oh, use state is not defined. Wait, let me import. So import like many of us do this mistake. Like we never import use state in the same line. So we hope that VS Code will do that for us, and sometimes it do not do. It doesn't do. So yeah. So now I have created this function, and now I will like write my logic in this in these curly braces. So if my toggle is equals to you can use triple is equals to as well, ligst triple equal to check also checks the data type. Like if I write double equal to, and in double equal to I'm checking string of 2 to a integer 2, so it will give me true, but this triple will give me false. I have given you the basic gist of that thing, JavaScript, which is very important. Now I'd like to write a set toggle and I'll set this toggle state to dark. Wait, toggle to dark. And if this toggle is dark to dark and return, I will return from this function. I will exit this function execution. And if this not, then I will set toggle to uh, light. So let me see it is working or not. So I would like to console here. I'll console this toggle here. Hope this will work. Oh, it should work fine. So if I zoom this button and I'll click it in front of you, let's see if it will work or not. So yeah, you can see whenever I click it, now it is dark, then light, then dark, then light. So yeah, it is working perfectly fine. Now we will change our this class. Okay, and for that I will use these backticks. We have learned this in JavaScript. Yes, that we can write backtick. Backtick are like a string form. We will write the data as a string inside backtick, but we can change it dynamically. So for that backtick, these curly braces are required because JSX doesn't understand anything. If you want to write any JavaScript code, you need to do this inside JSX. So here I will just change this BG stone. This I will clear this, and I will what I will do here. Yeah. Still, we will write a dynamic code here. So if toggle is equals to light, then what to do? Uh, give it a class of bg uh, stone. I'll use stone here, and stone of 50. 50 is fine. Yes. Else bg uh, stone of 950. Wait. What's the problem here? I have done something wrong. Wait. These are my curly braces. Okay, so I have it's looking like I have done something. Oh wait, you have not. What am I doing right now? I think I should write it like this. Else BG stone white. Else this. There was a syntax error, I think. Now it should work. Wait. Yeah, you can see the background is light right now. If I click this dark, it will click to change to dark, and then light, then dark, then light, then dark. Okay. Now I'll change this to dark dynamically. So okay. So if for that I will not create any function and anything. I'll just use this toggle also. And in React, always try to use that single state for everything. And if you have many data, then change this use state to an object or an array. It will also work fine for you. But never create so many state. It will mess your code, and you will finally messed up with too many re-renders, which any React developer never want. So here uh, if toggle is equals to light. uh Wait, shall I use this toggle as why I'm writing this? Why am I writing this? I should change this. Uh, where is that dark? Yes, to toggle. Wait, toggle spelling. Yeah, dark mode. See, and let me change this D to capital D everywhere, and this L to capital L here also, and here as well. Where? I've changed it everywhere. So now it's not working. Something happened. Wait. Oh, wait, here all as well. Yeah, you can see now that button is also changing. And let me do some last styling as well. So here I will change this cursor to pointer. Cursor pointer. Now whenever I take this cursor, it will change to pointer. And on hover bg. Initially bg was blue. Wait, let me check. Wait, why is that? Suggestions are not coming. I don't know why. And bg on hover bg blue, and 300. Yeah, 300 is good. Yes, yes, you can see. So now I have done it. And if you want like in next video, I will tell you how to update an array using useState, an object inside useState. Like sometimes, like here we have only one data, which is only light. We have only one string, and we have to change it by using useState. That a child can also do. That's not a big deal. But if I have an array or object inside useState, how will I do that without changing every array? Like I have so many arrays inside my use state, then I only want to update one array, not every array. So what will I do then? So in next video I will try to make that. Thank you so much.